God damn.
You tread on my Jesus.
Spoiler alert, the Roman Empire kills Jesus.
Why are you so tall?
I got big dick.
I'm just crouched over. What the heck? Why am I so short? My arm is literally inside of my body.
Alex, I think you took the wrong road.
Wait,
Yeah, Alex, you're gonna have to jump off to the left.
No, Alex is
through into my
coming.
chest.
You gotta go north from here.
Entered a new fucking dimension.
Why am I so short compared to everyone else?
Dude, why are you in fucking wood camo?
Because I didn't have the time to get the
We're in
camo on.
Africa.
Devil, it looks like half of your ass is going through the,
What happened?
Yeah, you look like you're sitting on the ground.
He's trying to get out of there real quick.
How'd he respawn where he died?
I don't know.
What is
No
that
idea.
face?
I'm looking intently at
You
Clay.
are intense.
Wolfie, I'm looking
Oh.
at you now.
Yeah, I know, I'm recording. I can see it. I can see the look in your eyes behind your tinted goggles.
You can see the look in my eyes behind tinted goggles. That is impressive. You got
I'm sitting over here.
20 vision.
Oh, hi, Brott.
Ran into something?
Yeah, we just hit a wall.
We hit a wall.
Okie dokie.
Now lying in its rubble.
Alright, well, we're back at base.
Man, really glad I have a sniper for this.
Alright, guys. Oh, take it. Don't get in the helicopter yet. We don't even know where we're going.
Addy, Addy. Jesus Christ.
Alright, guys.
Alex, we're not taking that helicopter. Get out.
Alex, I will
Get out
shoot
of the
you
damn
down.
heli.
Can I shoot him?
If he takes off, do I have permission to shoot him?
Going for Thire, see ya.
I was just about to stick you with morphine and overdose you, I swear.
That doesn't
All right.
sound like a punishment to me.
Okay,
Sounds
so.
like a dying isn't a punishment for you?
Overdosing? That ain't no punishment.
Oh yeah, by the way, I'm pretty sure I was the one who killed Alex because I shoved morphine in his ass.
Oh, I'm here.
Pretty sure I
I'm back.
forced him to OD.
Alright,
Hi.
so,
I'm injured. Could someone help me? Here. Oh shit.
oh, from what I've
I was
learned, what I've
driving,
get,
all
the
of a sudden,
information that
when I
Russia
got
has given
teleported, I
me
got injured.
Oh my god.
Nice!
is the
Oh,
commander.
never mind, he's dying. Oh, hi, Thire.
Who's the commander of this group, so I can tell them the information that they need to
Michael
know.
Jackson's doctor.
Alright, sorry, just tell me.
Alright, we'll go over here.
Michael Jackson's dog.
Just slightly
Right,
quieter,
so-
yeah.
You ever seen
So
that
the Russians know where the pamphlets are made.
fucking knee? I don't.
I'm gonna mark that down on your map
I
soon.
do. Send it to me on
Alright.
You see where the
Skype doesn't
grades and
Someone almost got their leg
tech.
broken.
I don't know how to say that last part of the word.
What?
Backfire.
Greg
going
Dam. You know what Greg Dam is?
My family's dog.
No. Oh, Grey Dam?
Very south. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Gaydam?
Very south of.
What are you
I
gay?
gave it to
Damn.
him, don't worry.
That you're not
I gave it.
allowed.
They
I gave
in the
him a
forest
pack, don't worry
south of
about
the
it.
river. There's a little house where they make the pamphlets.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
The Russians believe that that is where you will be able to find
Let me get you up.
last of the or
code.
the full pamphlet of the intel. The intel.
Oh, no, don't tell me you're actually dead.
Alright.
Alright, so head down there and the intel. Bring it back.
Oh,
Don't die,
okay,
obviously.
I can't help him.
Understood. Can we have either a bigger helicopter or two of those?
Yes, we can. I can give you a bigger helicopter.
Alright, thank you. Maybe like a,
Hey, you up?
if you go to like the Marines, and you get their M3M,
Devil, wake up.
it'll be a Seahawk. It's got some
Right.
guns on the
Yeah.
side that aren't miniguns, so we
no,
don't go deaf.
Brott, no.
I can give
We
you
gotta
Goose
bring
Hawk.
him to intel. We have to get him
Well,
briefed.
why would you? No, I don't want that.
Waterboarding
It has a minigun. It'll make us go deaf.
Guantanamo Bay.
you being tortured as a friendly.
Devil, shut up. We're getting briefed.
I'll tell your boys on.
Okay, gentlemen. All right, listen up. If you go on the map and you go south of here, like to the southeast, you'll be fine. Just listen to the briefing. So, in that town that we were just in, we found half of a pamphlet. All right, it had a code on it. It said Victor 304 Hotel 16, and it said the truth. We need to find the other half of this piece of paper, and we believe, according to the Russians that we contacted because they hired us to be here, it'll be near the town of Gadam Tichoko, approximately to its southeast in that forest area. So we're gonna take helicopters over there. We're gonna find out. We're gonna find where the fucking house is that makes this pamphlet, and we're gonna grab it, figure it out.
Are there gonna be civilians this time?
Expect it, but at the same time, I don't know.
So no.
So I can't shell it?
Well, maybe. We'll see. We did
Okay.
just... Oh, never mind. That helicopter's
We'll
gone.
scout it, then nuke it.
Yeah, sounds good.
Well,
No, not that one. Go to the
Alright,
Marines
Wolfie,
and
what's
get
the short range?
the M3 M1.
Actually,
Short range is fucking 5-0.
Devil, I'm not gonna make fun of your camo anymore.
thank you.
You gotta pop with my camo.
Listen, Storm Shadow. You need you to get your shit together.
If it's, you never know when it could start
I just
snowing.
want you to know
alright?
that gun
I
is a
am
grenade
prepared.
launcher and not an actual gun.
Wait, hang on. Was Storm Shadow the white one or the black one? I think the white one was
We're
Storm
in
Shadow.
Africa.
Yeah, you
The
don't
only
know
thing
when
that's
it
gonna
could
be
snow.
snowing is
Also,
malaria.
what's the short range again? I wasn't
It's
listening.
5-0.
Wolfie, what is?
Yeah, that one. There we go.
Testing the fucking radio, you fucking ears.
Checking.
Wolfie,
Yeah.
what is a shadow?
Shadow?
What is a shadow?
Give me a
It's
second.
the
and I can
absence of
control the
light,
situation.
where light is shining on an object, but not on the
What
ground
color
behind
is-
it.
Color is a normal shadow.
There is no color
It's
of a shadow.
dark. It's not.
It's
It's not
dark.
colored, but it's.
I got
You
a
just got me.
question. I seriously have a serious question. Is
Okay.
Spikejaw dark?
Can I shoot him?
Listen,
No, like
Which
seriously.
one said
Either
that?
of them.
Which one said that?
listen. You know, here's hang on. Here's a way. Here's an idea. All right. Storm shadow, the shadow of a storm, like a storm that's dropping, snow. The snow would be the shadow of the storm.
Wow, this thing is amazing.
He's part of the
I don't
clan. Can we move on? We get it. Scarface's desk. Let's go.
All right,
I'm
so
in Louisiana.
load up.
Louisiana. Can I change my camo? Can I just like? Would like to change my camo.
Actually, you know what? Let's get an arsenal, load it into the helicopter, that little box over there. And we are going into a jungly region, so maybe we should switch to green.
Go right the hell ahead, man.
Sniper is sick. Just don't think it's necessary for this.
Neither do I. Especially
If you
with me in
guys
the
know
jungle.
where this is from, then you deserve a cookie.
What
I
kind of
want a
quickie?
cookie, but, like,
Oh, a cookie. I thought you said a quickie. Thought he was offering a handout.
Does anyone know what this song is from?
Oh, yeah,
wait,
Levi
does
taking
anybody
them.
know what a kumquat is?
Yeah,
Stop.
we have better weapons.
Oh, it's a
You're a fucking kumquat.
Yes, I know. Just stop.
Love kumquats.
You also love cum. Move on.
No, I don't.
And they
Ah!
Kumquats are amazing.
Well, nobody knew what that was from.
No, because it was so shit quality,
Wasn't listening.
I could not
We'll
tell.
have anti-air, so be careful. Do not
Long range
go,
check.
You know,
Oh god, I think I've cancer.
solid speed.
Can you hear it now?
I'm about to knock you out.
I'm not sure.
No,
Long
it's
range
the
check.
Canadian theme from Dawn of War.
Alright, cool. So this thing doesn't work.
This thing doesn't work.
Wolfie, I'm going in tactical. Where are you? Wolfie. Tactical.
Oh my god.
I'm thinking AUG.
I've
Long
never
range
seen
check.
anyone use the AUG before, so
Yep.
this is gonna be interesting.
Be advised that
Okay.
Holy shit.
they will have anti-air, so don't land like straight onto the point.
Understood.
This thing legitimately fires.
Ah, fuck. Now I need a short range.
Fast kids fire them. Evolver.
You're giving me cancer.
Oh my god, stop!
Cotton Eye Joe.
So,
Cotton Eye.
this is the young blind ninja.
With a big iron on his hip.
Oh, it's a
Also
bolter
white.
on his hip. I mean,
It's a
bolt
Sorry.
gun.
fat cock.
Bolter on his hip. Bolter on his hip.
This
Oh,
looks
thank
neat.
God, morphine. Sorry, I'm an addict.
Thank God, morphine.
Hey Wolf, what's the unload button again?
Actually,
Yes.
I just realized that.
Tell him it's G as in golf, because I can't talk on the radio while I'm in the arsenal.
I have 5 packs. Is that good enough?
You don't like the bolt gun on his hip?
No,
I
shut the
like
fuck up.
big iron.
I'm happy I came to work today. Right.
I'm gonna go with the marksman rifle then.
Alright.
Realize that I only have 5 morphine. Only 5 morphine.
And it's perfect because this site also acts as a fucking CQC site.
So,
Sweet.
Yeah, cause so I can swap in from long range site to short range site. Pressing
Single.
control, yeah, by pressing the control aim button. I can do close quarters combat with this thing and long range.
oh yeah.
Short range check.
I think I'm gonna do the same.
No way, I need to get my short range.
Long range check. Nope, that's a fail. Long range check.
I refuse.
I don't know why I have high hopes for the AUG.
Short range check.
Check.
Gotcha.
Alright, we have 2 helicopters. We have the main helicopter that'll carry us, and then we have a recon helicopter.
Clay, you might get this.
Recon helicopter does have IR flare underneath it, so the co-pilot can use that while the pilot flies around.
Good with IR.
I'm not gonna use the offset.
Taking this to the helicopter. So the Blackhawk is going to be our main respawn, so I'm loading it with a arsenal box that we can only use when we land it and unload it.
Howdy, boys.
How to do? Have you ever heard
Loading.
Caesar with the bolt gun on his hip?
Yes,
from
I had.
Fallout?
That's my cousin.
So again, don't fly directly over the target area because they have AA.
I like big iron on his hip better.
I'm gonna fly the recon helicopter. I'll see you there.
Both are pretty good.
I'm gonna fly the recon helicopter ahead. Seems like Devil's coming with me. You guys stay behind me. I'll be shot down first if I get shot down.
Player.
They're above us, aren't they?
Spike, Alex, stay behind us. We're the target. You guys are the respawn beam.
We're on our own for this one.
Yes, it's what is on the.
Hello? You nerds hear me on short range?
Yeah, what's up?
Gotcha.
She gets left behind.
Yes.
I feel like we should definitely not go the straight route there.
Why not?
Wolfie, am I allowed to jump out if he tries getting us killed?
Bad vibes.
I mean, I don't care. If you get left behind, though, that's on you.
Oh, I meant like the us helicopters going in a straight line. I feel like Firey's gonna bite us in the ass.
True. I'm gonna swing around the right side. Alright, I'm gonna swing the helicopter around the right side. On the map, it's left, but whatever. The west side of the AO.
It's guided missiles.
Alex just said probably to that question.
Yep. Answer that question is purple. You've got IR out, right?
Yeah, I've got IR up.
Alright, just keep searching the area.
You see the line in the antelope? It looks really fogged.
Thought I saw like an AA set.
Yep, that's nature.
That's just
Yeah, it's like Animal Planet. Can I shoot it?
Yeah. Negative.
I shot it.
God damn it, conserve your ammo.
Hey, how come fucking G.I. Joe decided to get into our helicopter?
Look, man, we can't question it.
Villages that we might want to avoid. Or right.
Village to our right that we want to avoid?
We might want to avoid. I don't see anything there, but like.
Nah, I'm flying directly over it.
Okay. Oh, your call. Just give me some healthy.
I know.
Mayor.
I got a suspicion he didn't put anything there, though.
There's no one there.
Alright, I'm gonna get us up high. Just be prepared in case we have to do evasives. But start searching the area to our left. Particularly to the south of that town or city. Yep, evasives.
I don't see it. Whoever just shot at us, I didn't see it.
It's alright. Be advised, we did have to deploy shaft right there. What's that directly ahead of us? Also, we see what appears to be an army base. Alright, we're getting out of here.
But check where that
Do you want to land at
Woo-wee!
firmly bridge area?
We're taking a lot of fire, we're evacuating. Yeah, land where you find it safe. We're almost out of flares. Switching to single.
Go lower.
Woohoo! Now the trick is
Fucking guardsmen
slowing down.
before the planet did.
I'm checking that town off to our, no, there's nothing there.
Alright, I'm gonna hover us and mark that area on the map.
I know, you're right. I'll mark the general area where I saw the missiles coming from.
Got it.
If you
Yeah, where
see
the
any
helicopter was.
Zulus running around the trees, you know to shoot them.
Be advised, we spotted what looked to be a military base to the south of the AO. We're gonna mark it. Are you sure? Because it had two helicopters. It had two MI8s.
Structures on it.
Okay. At the very least, an encampment.
I'm pretty sure that's where it was.
No. It was farther south than that.
Farther south than that? No.
Yeah.
We don't know what that is.
Understood. If you hear any intel at command, she'll tell us. Alright, I'm gonna fly us towards the city a little bit. What do I see, Alex? Alex, I got shot at by numerous missiles. Search the town. Or search the city, I mean.
Wait, was that in Sakia? If so, this is where the Hellier is.
Yeah, we just took a missile from the south of the city. Advise, again, we took a missile from the south of the city. We're waving off. God, I didn't mean to go up. I was just trying to slow down.
Are you sure, fucking Shadow knows where he's going?
I mean Spikejaw.
Yeah, or whatever G.I. Joe he's trying to roleplay right now.
I have no idea. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and land. Yeah, Devil, you're just gonna have to use a drone and get it out of the arsenal.
Yeah, I will.
Those missiles came really fucking close.
Yeah, they did.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate my flying gun?
Oh no, that was incredible. That was.
Thank you. These little birds are just so agile.
I think you upped your flares a little bit too early.
Eh, you know.
Like the start of your flares was a little bit too early. Overall, you're flying with 8.
Thank you.
You got a third-person view of that shit. Oh fuck.
Yeah. Alright.
Not the video, so I can't record it. So.
Ah, it's alright. I got it recorded, no worries.
Okay. I guess I'm getting myself a drone nut.
That sounds like fun.
Combat.
Any idea what those explosions are?
Yeah, that is, G.I. Joe just firing grenades into the city. How copy?
Video on me at the time, so.
Roger. Spikejaw firing grenades into the city.
Yeah, apparently he's roleplaying as Snake Eyes' cousin.
That was his name. Snake Eyes is the black one, and Storm Shadow is the white one.
AKA Cobra guy.
Storm Shadow?
Right, Storm Shadow.
Oh, Cobra. I remember hearing Storm Shadow. Storm Shadow makes no sense, though. Those are two contradicting things to the color white.
Well, look, like I said earlier, he's the shadow of the storm, and the storm drops snow. You know?
Oh, I don't. That doesn't make any sense.
But, god damn it.
I'm gonna fly this thing up really high and see what I can see.
You want to put an IED on it?
Oh, I don't, because I don't think I'm gonna be able to get anywhere close to anything that we saw.
I mean, if you fly it directly over the enemy, and then they shoot it down, it'll fall down on top of them.
Hey, you know this building's enterable, right?
I'm traveling this thing at 2,000 meters up in the air, though, like that. Scary.
Okay.
Yeah, this feels very anticlimactic.
I've got that thing heading over there, and I'll head with you up until that point when I get
Okie dokie.
contact with it.
Just getting my stuff here. Alright, I'm ready.
Alright, just give me a second, because I remember that I gotta fill in the station thing, and then the terminal thing, with the go.
Yeah.
This with
The world's smallest auto rifle.
that's just going up. Okay, I'm all good.
All right, let's go.
And just make sure that I can set this. Go.
Don't worry about it, Alex. You would know.
Suggest that we get high ground on one of those buildings.
It's a good suggestion. Maybe one of those minarets over there. The mosque
Wait,
tower.
I'm gonna stop the UAV for a second and just get an overall view of what's around us.
Alright.
Alex, have you checked looking under the cat? Have you tried looking under the couches like you would with a porn stash?
Ooh, that manor looking thing right there has roof, but it's not tall like those. See our friends over there.
I got eyes on our friends, and I also got eyes on absolutely zero hostiles. Oh shit!
What?
He marked as an absolute military encampment. This right here. Wait, I can't even mark it on the map.
The heli army?
Oh no! Do you see the? It won't work.
What you
This right-
talking about?
Shit! What the fuck? This. Okay, there we go.
What?
Oh, give me a second. Okay, on the map right here, this is a military encampment.
Oh, the circle with the intel?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's supposedly the
There's
house
a lot
where
of
the
people
intel is.
there. There's like 20 plus people.
Yeah, that's where we're getting to.
Just give me a second.
Sure. Be advised, there are a lot of enemies in that military camp. The one that Spikejaw is right next to on the map.
They're shooting at us now.
Okay.
Well, shoot back.
Unless that's fucking Shadow. What the fuck?
Sounds like a lot of fun is being had over there.
I would really like to see you dodge an American-made military AA missile.
I mean, we have to do it all the time in Afghanistan.
American-made though?
Yeah, Stingers.
Not like Stingers. I mean like a legitimate launcher for them.
Oh, you mean like an SAAM, a fucking SAM site? Yeah,
like
no,
SAM
that's
site,
nah. I've managed to dodge missiles from a frigate before in a Katasaka, but other than that, that's about as far as I've been able to go.
Assuming that would be in this game, right?
Yes, in this game.
I hear a heli.
But get up in this tower. You want to go up in this tower?
Sure, let's go in the tower.
Been to it. Been
Haven't found anything so
Oh, hi.
How you guys doing up there on the villa?
Yep.
Nothing so far. Just climbing over some walls.
Yep.
Good thing I got practiced my cardio.
Yeah.
Is this really considered cardio?
Have you ever tried leaping over 3 walls in a row?
Yes, I have.
Ones that are, and you're also wearing body armor, carrying a weapon.
Not that height and not with this much equipment on, but yes, I have.
Let me tell you, the equipment really starts to wear you down.
Really, I wouldn't have guessed that 20 extra pounds in your body that you're not used to would weigh you down.
I mean, more like 60, but yeah.
I mean, it depends on what you got on you.
I don't know, body armor and an M16, pretty heavy. And then the mags with the ammo. Your helmet.
Oh wow, we got perfect
Your friend.
encampment.
Oh, sick.
putting up tracers?
Hey, what's going on up on the villa? What's happening?
We're
We're
laying
just
down
providing
fire.
suppressive fire. Probably directly over your heads.
I see fucking Shadow Thunder, whatever his name is, on the ground.
Oh yeah, he's bleeding.
He's bleeding bad.
Damn, I should have took fucking 240 or fucking PKM.
No, I told you that these guys take a lot of fucking ammo.
No, I mean, I just didn't expect me to be like up here in a tower and like laying out suppressive fire.
What's up?
Huh.
I don't know. What happened to the Hawk?
Yes.
Respawn. Sorry.
Taking fire.
Where from though? Oh, I see
The
them.
the thing that we're shooting at. Yeah, a little to the left of it.
I see. I got eyes on Firey and Zamora.
Reloading. Oh, they're moving right.
Ow! Pain, healthy pain,
What? What's wrong?
pain.
What kind of pain?
Like entire leg.
Oh, well, heal up.
And somehow I got hit in the leg while behind this wall.
Shit.
I guess they got some really good piercing rounds.
Yeah, 762.
7.62 pierces through.
Syria here is empty. I found nothing.
All right.
Syria is empty.
Damn it.
All right.
Ooh, I hit him. Saw the blood. He's still up and moving though. Fuck.
Where are they?
In the villa.
What?
Yeah, the thing that they're assaulting.
Oh, I don't got eyes on that right now.
Nope, me neither.
Oi!
Huh?
What are you up to?
What do you want?
What are your cowards doing?
We're shooting fuckers.
Join the fight!
We are. Don't you hear shooting back?
Coward.
I need more ammo. I'm out of ammo.
Be advised, that seems to be another unknown force.
What's his deal?
Proceed with caution.
Understood. Would that be
Bro,
the?
you literally have enemies
Understood. Would that be the
behind
force
you
assaulting
right
from
now.
the south?
Yes.
Roger.
Why the fuck are you
Be
here?
advised, there's a third party getting involved. They are considered hostile. They're assaulting from the south. How will copy?
Gotcha. Fucking, we'll watch out.
Look out there. Ether.
Yep. Sorry.
I'm gonna go back to the helicopter, get a mortar ready.
Get a mortar. Okay. Wolfie, I need a pack.
Ask Thire.
Buddy joined your channel.
Fire, where are you?
He should be right below you. I'm all alone. There's no one here beside me. Guess I'm on my own.
Respawn at the Hawk.
But you gotta have friends.
You can just teleport if you want.
Shit. An inaccurate marking of where the where is it? Okay. Hi, Rommel.
Hello. What's the orders?
I'm gonna get a mortar out. We are assaulting a villa to the south of the city, south of there.
Gentlemen, I have eyes on a
I'm trying to get intel from it.
So we're assaulting the city?
Oh, hang on. Get a stinger out. Get a stinger. They just got eyes on a hind.
due southeast of me. It's landed. Looks like there's someone in the pilot seat.
Do you know what kind of insignias it has?
Wait, what?
What insignia did it have on it?
Where's the hind?
To the south.
Never mind.
Hey, join my group real quick, then you can see the compass.
I don't see anything on it right now, but it's got a jungle
I'm
cable.
not moving. You pushed me.
It doesn't look like it's a weaponized model. Might be just a troop carrier.
Where did...
Roger.
Okay. Tube. Am I lagging? Tube. Okay, there we go. Neither. Okay, I got the mortar ready for targeting.
Roger, wait one.
Do I have permission to start shelling everything south of the military camp?
Roger, none of us are over there.
Understood, I'm firing.
Alright, danger close if you are over there like an idiot.
Nah, I see you guys on the map, you're good.
Wolfie, what short range radio are you using?
152. 4 shells out. First splash in 5 seconds. Splash.
Checking. Did you hear that?
Yeah, no. Yeah, are you on frequency 50?
Yeah.
Guys, two
short
enemy
range?
helicopters are coming in on our AO.
It's the 152 radio.
Are
Right.
they armed?
Just
Did you
not
click?
working.
Yes,
Did you
they're
click
two
set
Mi-28s.
frequency?
Yeah.
Alright, stay down. Make sure they don't see ya.
Oh shit! Get fucked.
You know, I do have an AA launcher.
Please shoot it before it shoots
down.
me.
Shoot it down.
Shoot what?
Where fucking am I?
I shot it, but I don't think it's coming down.
This is why I need to
One
be air
chopper is
support.
landing outside of the town to the northwest. Actually, no, never mind. He got shut down.
It's down. It just exploded over there.
God damn.
By the way, could you guys
Second
hear
chopper
my,
was shot
my
down as well.
bombardment when I first came upon the enemies?
Do what?
I shot like
I have
15
eyes on a
rounds
second
of
chopper.
explosives at the enemy building.
I mean,
as soon
bird
as I
chopper.
shot.
Third chopper, third chopper.
That sounds like fun. That I wasn't there to
Yeah.
see it.
I was the only one there for a while.
Shoot that thing down.
Clear it. Fuck. Stay clear of my back blast, okay? Nailed it. Thing is going down.
Rommel is apparently being a crazy mad lad running through the city and shooting enemies.
Confirm, chopper down.
Do you know any grenade
shot.
launchers?
The names of? Not exactly. Hi, Clay.
Grenade launch.
So wait, there are enemies in the city? Over? Okay. I'm gonna fire more mortars to the south.
Copy.
Reloading. Reloaded. Check my surroundings. Can I get a status report on the military camp? Hi, Alex. Thank you. Thank you for the status report. All right. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna start firing a little danger close to the camp.
Yeah, we got screwed over there. We're gonna send some more guys back over.
Understood.
Oh, hi. Alright, let's go.
First splash in 5 seconds. Get down. All splashed.
Shells received. Good effect.
Raj, thank you.
These boys are highly trained, from the looks of it.
Roger.
I know how to use chemical weapons.
No, they're not even in the arsenal anyway. Aside from the tear gas.
Correction, technically, tear gas.
Aside from the tear gas, I said. But no, don't use it, because you'll just hurt everybody else around you.
Are there UAVs? Do we have UAVs?
You can put one on your back.
Do we have CAS UAVs?
No.
It's got more difficult.
What you see right now is what we have.
Oh! I say in the where I come from. Okay, let's blow it up.
Radio check.
Oh, Rommel, you have the same idea as me. Oh my god, my radio works.
Okay, how many grenades do I need? I want a crap ton. Let's get a crap ton.
Holy hell, this thing is large.
There we go. 75 should do it. Okay, let's go.
You ready, Rommel? Where for?
Does that look like a gun?
Banzai.